everybody, we're 2 weeks into August and your August assignment of one role, one subject. Hopefully you spent the last 2 weeks figuring out what your subject would be and planning, or at least conceptualizing, some of the shots that you want to start taking now. Now, this entire role doesn't have to be shot in one day. It could be, doesn't have to be. Next, you're going to use the balance of your roll of film, or about 35 more photos on your digital camera, to photograph the same subject. Not 35 photos of statues, 35 photos of the same statue. Yes. What? You had a walk. It's not my fault you didn't do anything. We took a long break and you just stood around and sniffed at plants. I don't know what you... So Steinbeck has decided to join the videos, though slightly out of frame. At any rate, so that's your assignment, is to use one roll of film or 35 to 36 digital images on the exact same subject and have each of the photos be different. When you complete that work, feel free to share it on Instagram with the hashtag P101WDH for Photography 101 with David Hancock. Please remember to @ me in your posts so that I can follow along. If you don't want to or can't use Instagram, feel free to use a free image sharing website like Imager or SmugMug, or I think SmugMug's free, or some of the other ones. Create a hidden folder, share a link to that in the comments for this video, and I'll approve that link when I see it and we'll look at your work. I may not comment on every assignment, but I will absolutely look at them all. What? I look forward to seeing your work for this assignment, especially because it is a personal favorite of mine for this year. I'll see you all again at the beginning of September with your next photo assignment.